we are expecting that President Ramaphosa, when he addresses the nation, he must come up with clear plans on how he is going to address this crisis that this country is facing.
In February 2021, the president promised South Africans that there would be no mandatory vaccines. However, at the end of 2021, he spoke to the nation again, indicating that he's putting together a task team to look at introducing mandatory vaccines in South Africa. We also expect the president to speak about the immediate removal of all lockdown restrictions, as well as the shutting down of the Corona Command Council and the state of national disaster.
Al-Jamaa expects the president to say he will introduce a 19th amendment to the constitution to give people in South Africa the right to water instead of just access. It cannot be that the African child must throw stones at dogs, cows and livestock to move away from waterways so they can quench their thirst.
The president must present a credible, tangible and sustainable plan and growth path towards job creation, particularly for young people, ensuring that the economy of the country is rebuilt towards growth and to ensure inclusivity of all the people of South Africa.